On to the next half of the settings tabs, we get to the affiliate program settings. So this tab is for users who want to set up their own affiliate programs using System.io, meaning you have offers that you'd like others to promote in exchange for commissions. The first field that you must fill out is the commission percentage you want your affiliates to earn. Then the second one is for your second tier affiliate commissions percentage. Second tier commissions mean that if your affiliates bring you a customer, then they get their commission. But if that customer also promotes the offer and makes a sale, they will also get a commission for the sales that their customers will bring in. Then we have the minimum payout amount. This is the amount your affiliates must reach in sales before they can start getting paid their commissions. Right next to it, we have the default payout delay, which is the time in days that affiliates will wait before they get paid. Once your affiliate meets all your conditions, their invoices will be generated automatically on the 10th of each month. On this field right here, you'll write the name that you want to show on the marketplace once you publish your offers there. This could be your name or your company name, whatever you want everyone who goes on the marketplace looking for offers to promote to see. And finally, for this section of the affiliate settings, you'll find these checkbox, which grants your affiliates the ability to view the email addresses of the leads that they refer. When this is checked, your affiliates will be able to go to their affiliate dashboard and see the leads that they have sent to other vendors. If you would like to automate your affiliate payouts instead of having to do it manually one by one, you can do it by adding a Wise account here. This way, you can automatically pay your affiliates who choose to be paid via wire transfer, and you can also add a PayPal account here to automate payouts. The very last setting here is the affiliate proxy links. These are super helpful when you want to create affiliate links to pages that are not hosted in System.io. For example, let's say you already have a website and you want to promote your offers using the pages in that website. You would come here, click on Create, add your label, which is the name for this affiliate proxy link, then the language, the link to your external page, and finally the domain, which should be the same one used in the funnels where you'll have the order form. Then just click Save and your link will show up here. After the link is created, you can share the link with your affiliates and then they can add their affiliate IDs if they wanted to promote the page. Keep in mind, if you're using an external website, that your website must have a link or some redirection to a System.io funnel, and the page must contain a subscription form or a payment form. This is important to keep in mind because if your external website does not redirect to System.io, then there's no way for us to track and for affiliates to get their commissions. All right, next on the list is the custom domain settings. And you would come here to set up the custom domain to use across your funnel pages, blog pages, quizzes, everything. So in order to add a custom domain, you would click on Add Domain and then type your domain name with the www before and .com or .whatever you have, and then click on Save. Once you save, you'll be prompted with the DNS configuration for your domain. So the CNAME records you'll have to add in order for your domain to get validated. After adding those, you will have to add a redirection from the domain to the www domain. For example, with this one that we're using here, a redirection must be added from testing.com to www.testing.com. Once the domain gets validated, it's ready to be used across your funnels, blogs, courses, communities, etc. Then we have the Active Campaign settings, and this one is special for those of you who use Active Campaign, which is a separate platform, but you might use it as well and maybe want to integrate it with System.io. Then you would do that here. So what you would do is click here to activate the option, then just copy and paste Active Campaign's API URL and API keys here, and then select the right triggers that you want to synchronize. So these are the actions in System.io that will trigger the corresponding action in your Active Campaign account. Keep in mind, changes done here on this page only work one way. So if you change something here, it will change on Active Campaign. But if you change your settings on Active Campaign, they will not translate to System.io. All right, now we have the affiliate commissions payment settings. You would come here if you are an affiliate. That means your plan is promoting other offers, whether it is promoting System.io or another user's offers. You should select the payment method that you prefer for your affiliate commissions. So if you choose PayPal, then you would just type the email address associated with your PayPal account, or you can choose wire transfer and then enter your banking information. Next, we have the notification settings. And here you'll find 6 preferences that you can choose from depending on how many notifications you'd like to get. For example, you can choose to receive an email every time you make a sale as a vendor or as an affiliate. And this is really up to you. But then here at the bottom, you will get to enable or disable receiving invoices every time you make a payment for your subscriptions. Okay, now for the second to last setting tab, we have the workspace members settings. And this is where you would be able to invite others to collaborate with your System.io account. So let's say maybe you hire a virtual assistant or someone is helping you build your pages and funnels. You can invite them here and they will have different login credentials. To invite new members, you would just click on create, add their email address, and they'll receive an email where they must accept the invitation in order to be granted access. As you can see here in the example, I've invited a member, but this symbol indicates that they have not confirmed yet, but once they do, their status will change. And you can also edit their role. So just go to their three-dot menu and choose between the two options, which are assistant or administrator. Administrators have more access to the account overall, and assistants are more limited in what they're able to do. It truly depends on the tasks that you're planning on assigning your members. Finally, our last setting tab is the Change Passwords tab. So it does exactly what the name says. If you need to change your account password, you would just click here and type your new password and confirm.